Standard AI chat resets every time you open a new window. You feed it context, it gives an answer, and the next day it forgets. It starts from scratch. Even when using retrieval methods, where you upload entire folders of documents, the AI reads those files raw on every prompt. It is forced to piece together the fragments of your research anew each time you ask a question. Andrej Karpathy proposed a different method, the LLM Wiki. Instead of operating as a forgetful search engine, the AI acts as an autonomous librarian. It reads your documents once, extracts the facts, and writes interlinked summary pages that stay on your local drive. To build this system, you need 3 tools: the note-taking app Obsidian, an AI agent like Claude, and a sample document to test. By compiling knowledge into a persistent wiki instead of retrieving it on the fly, your digital brain actually accumulates facts. You build a permanent database that grows smarter with every file you add. The architecture relies on 3 distinct layers. Layer 1 is your raw sources. This is a folder for your original PDFs and articles. The AI reads these files, but it is strictly forbidden from altering them. Layer 2 is the wiki. This is the output zone. It contains the clean, interlinked markdown summaries that the AI writes autonomously based on your raw sources. Layer 3 is the schema. This is the rulebook. It acts as the bridge, telling the AI exactly how to process the raw data and format the resulting wiki pages. Step 1 is to open Obsidian and create a new local vault named LLM Wiki. Inside that vault, create 2 new subfolders, one named Raw and one named Wiki. Next, grab the schema file, typically named Claude.md. You must place this file directly in the root directory of your vault, keeping it carefully outside of both the Raw and Wiki subfolders. Keeping the raw data completely isolated from the AI's output directory ensures your original research remains untouched. The AI organizes the information while your source material stays perfectly preserved. Now open the Claude.md schema file in a text editor. Look near the top for the system prompt configuration lines. You need to modify the line labeled Purpose. Delete the default text and type in the specific domain you are researching. For example, planning a trip to Japan or analyzing climate data. Open your computer's terminal. Type the command cd followed by a space and navigate directly into the LLM Wiki Vault folder you just created. Type Claude and press Enter. This wakes up the AI agent. Because you are currently in the root folder, it immediately reads your schema file and adopts your rules. Defining the exact project scope in that schema gives the AI clear boundaries. It transitions the tool from a broad conversational chatbot into a focused, context-aware expert dedicated to your specific topic. To test the system, drag a sample article or PDF directly into your raw folder. Return to your terminal and give the agent a direct command. Type, "I just added a new source to the raw folder. Please read it and update the wiki." The agent takes over. You will see the terminal output its reasoning step by step as it extracts key concepts. Simultaneously, Obsidian populates with brand new markdown files, an updated index, and a chronological log of the changes. As it generates these pages, the AI automatically scans for matching entities and inserts bidirectional links, securely connecting the new concepts to the existing structure. Occasionally, an agent might attempt to read the wrong directory or output incorrect markdown. The pre-configured rules in your schema file catch these errors early, automatically redirecting the AI back to the correct folders. This ingest sequence removes the manual labor of note-taking. You feed the system documents, and the AI handles the filing, cross-referencing, and maintenance without you having to type a single summary. This image shows Obsidian's graph view, displaying the final result of the automated workflow, a functional, dense, interconnected constellation of ideas that you did not have to map out yourself. Building a knowledge graph this detailed by hand requires hours of data entry, tagging, and formatting for every document. The agent completes the entire sequence in seconds. To streamline your input process, install the Obsidian Web Clipper browser extension. It allows you to download web articles directly into your raw folder with a single click. Keep feeding the system new documents. As the volume of data grows, the AI spots contradictions between papers and highlights connections across different datasets. Delegating the administrative maintenance of a knowledge base to an LLM removes the busy work. Your role shifts, allowing you to dedicate 100% of your focus to critical thinking and analysis.
Enhance your coding skills with us.
Don't forget to subscribe to Code 5 Food for the latest updates and tutorials.